$300 PC build. If you search this on YouTube, you will see plenty of videos. But why you should watch this video? Why this video is different from others? Because in this video I will show you the best components, and without any doubt this will be the best PC build for 2023. Let's get started. So at first, for the processor, we have chosen the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. This one cost around $127, and reason for choosing this is, as you can see by the reviews, this one has more than 8,000 plus positive reviews on Amazon, and for this price this processor is offering unbelievable performance. Then for the motherboard, we have chosen the ASRock B550M HDV. This one cost only $72. Now for only $72 you are getting 2 RAM slot, PCIe Gen 3 NVMe SSD support, where you will be able to use high speed NVMe SSD, and you are getting a latest B550M series motherboard. Then for the RAM, we are choosing the Patriot Viper Steel 8GB DDR4. This one cost around $26. Now as this is a budget build, we are only using one single stick RAM, so our RAM will be only 8GB. But if you can increase your budget a little bit, I suggest you to add one more RAM in future. And to give you ease of mind, this RAM comes with lifetime warranty, so you will be completely worry free for your lifetime. Then for the SSD, we are choosing the Team Group MP33. This one cost around $35, and for only $35 we are getting a 512GB SSD, which is excellent. And also this SSD comes with 1400 to 1700 Mbps rated speed, which is decent for this price. And also this SSD comes with 5 years plus warranty. Then for the power supply, we have chosen the Thermaltake Smart Series 430 watt power supply. This one cost around $30. As our processor 5600G is not that much power hungry, this 430 watt is more than enough to deliver power safely. And also this power supply comes with 5 years plus warranty. And last but not least, for the casing, we are choosing the Gambias Argos M1. This one cost around $40, and for $40 you are getting a decent quality casing. You will get a front RGB strip which will look excellent, and all those components will cost around $329. Thanks for watching.